In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Pipedrive contacts more searchable. 5 minutes. We're going to make it faster and easier to find the right people and deals in Pipedrive by enriching what you already have. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Pipedrive website. On the homepage, click Login. Enter your work email and password, then click Login again to access your account. If you use a password manager or single sign-on, feel free to use it. Just make sure you're logging into the correct workspace before continuing. Now let's focus on what actually makes a contact or deal show up quickly in search. Inside your account, go to your leads or your contacts. Pick one record you search for often, maybe a key customer, partner, or an active opportunity. The goal is to add clear, consistent information that Pipedrive search can match. Start by adding labels. Labels act like quick visual tags and searchable keywords. Choose labels that reflect status or type, such as priority level, region, or segment. Keep your label names short and standardized so your whole team uses the same wording. Consistency here is what makes search reliable across the board. Next, open the record to edit it and review your fields. If you already have custom fields, use them to capture the terms you and your team usually type into search, things like product interest, life cycle stage, or account tier. If you're allowed to create or adjust custom fields, make them simple, optional where possible, and designed for one clear idea each. Avoid cramming multiple concepts into a single field. That dilutes search value. Add relevant keywords to these fields, then save your changes. Notes are your next advantage. Add a short descriptive note to each deal or contact that includes the key terms someone might search for later, company nicknames, alternate spellings, project names, or key decision makers. Write in plain language and front load the important terms near the beginning of the note. This helps when you're scanning results. Once your note is in, click Save to lock it in. That's the whole workflow. Log in, open a lead or contact, apply clear labels, enrich or add custom fields with relevant keywords, and add a concise note that captures the searchable context. Save as you go so nothing gets lost. With these updates in place, your future searches will surface the right records faster, your team will use the same language, and your pipeline will feel much more organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.